Tired of Microsoft Bing or Yahoo popping up every time you search? In this video, I'll show you how to switch your default search engine to Google in a few simple steps. Fast, easy, and stress-free. Let's go. First, let's try the Microsoft Bing search engine. Let's type CR7, and this is how the result looks like on the Microsoft Bing search engine. Now, to change the search engine, click on the three dots at the top right, Customize and Control Google Chrome, and then click on Settings. Now go to the search bar within the settings and type Search Engine. Now click on Manage. From this page, you can disable and enable the Microsoft Bing search engine. In our case, we will disable Microsoft Bing and switch it to Google. We've disabled it and automatically Google will return as the default search engine. Let's try now. Open a new tab and type CR7 in the search bar, then press enter. You'll notice the search is now done using Google instead of Bing. Many of you prefer using Google because it's easier to navigate, has a better interface, it's faster, and we're used to it. Thanks for watching. I wish you a productive day full of positive energy and happiness as bright as your spirit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech solutions.